Hello again and welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel. Today it's a sunny day and I'm going to make some nice bruschetta type lunch. So just a sort of salady thing for one person, but you can bulk that up if you're making it for more. So for the ingredients, I've actually bought some nice halkidiki and kalamata olive bread, which I've sliced, and then I'll freeze the rest because I won't use it all at once. So then I can just take out a slice or two. I need salt and pepper, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, some oregano, tomatoes, an onion, garlic, some basil leaves, and I'm going to use some mozzarella. I've just come back from Sicily, and so this is my little tribute to the wonderful trip that I had. So just watch and I will show you how to prepare. Peel, chop and dice half an onion. Also, peel and finely chop 1 clove of garlic. Prepare 2 tomatoes by removing the core and then slicing and dicing. Place your chopped tomatoes into a bowl or dish, followed by your chopped onion, which also includes the garlic. Then add a sprinkling of oregano, or oregano as I said earlier. Don't know where that came from. Some freshly ground salt and pepper. I'm using black pepper here, but you can get coloured peppercorns. Next we add a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Followed by a drizzling of extra virgin olive oil. Tear a few basil leaves and sprinkle over the top. With a spoon, mix everything together. Remove your mozzarella from the packaging, being careful to drain, and then just tear pieces, as you can see me doing here, and sprinkle over your tomato and onion mix. Toast some bread, and lunch is ready. Trying to do this and I'm not left-handed, so anyway, I think you get the idea. So here we have it.